This Diamond D-130J vertical Discone antenna offers impressively wide coverage, making it suitable for everything from amateur bands to airband and general scanning. Its ability to receive from roughly the mid-20 megahertz range up through well over 1000 megahertz means you can monitor a huge variety of services with a single antenna. Transmit performance is solid across the common amateur bands, with a sensible power handling rating that works well for typical base station and test bench use. The stainless steel construction resists rust and weathering, so once it is up on the mast or balcony, it tends to stay reliable for many seasons. Because it is relatively compact and not excessively heavy, it is practical for installations where space is tight, including apartment railings and modest rooftop mounts. Experimenters and technicians especially appreciate that it can serve as a versatile shop antenna, allowing quick checks of many different radios through a single coaxial feed.